I'm replacing this smoke alarm with the new one, which is wired 120 volts. So all we need is a screwdriver and the letter to reach the smoke alarm. We're going to twist it, and basically you will see this situation where head unit is connected by the connector to the wiring. Okay, so make sure power is off, do not work under any power, and it has those two pins that you have to press and remove the head unit. And if you're installing identical unit, you don't have to remove the plate, you don't have to remove the connector. But this is the number one mistake I have seen people making, where they get another connector and connect it to the existing connector, which is completely wrong. So if you want to use new connector, which is going to be connected to your new device, you have to remove the old one completely through the wire nuts. So you have to pull out the wiring, and you will see those two wire nuts, or three wire nuts if you have three wires, and basically connect neutral to neutral, hot to hot, red to red. Okay, and also make sure you have a tester. And if you don't have to remove the connector, and if it's identical to your old unit, all you have to do is basically connect it to the new head unit, twist it back in there, turn the power back on, remove the tab for the battery to engage the battery, and press and hold the button so you activate the device. That's all you have to do to replace your smoke alarm, which need to be updated almost every 10 years. That's the basically expiration date for many smoke alarms. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.